Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes! So, let's go ahead. Give this video a thumbs up. Look how cool this is. Now, you might be wondering you have to rebirth though to be in there. So you might be wondering what this is. It's called the Kaons. You need 3 rebirths to go to the Kaons, which is basically such a cool place. No, I don't know where the Kaons is. It's a normal world. I don't know where the Kaons are. Or where the Kaon is. So look how cool this is right up here. I didn't know what's gonna be up here. Look at that, 800 steps. So close. It's like getting the 100. It's getting the yes. Oh wait, what? So close. No, you people want to go there. Just go ahead. I don't want you to be ruining my world. Oh my god, this is just so annoying. LC Junior. Oh my gosh! There we go! 800 steps! Oh my god, I should be in this world every time when I come. Look at that. I don't know if this is really a good place for me to be. Well, this is really, because there won't be really that much people in here. Wait, what is this? Is it a hot tub? Yahoo! 2, 1, 800 steps! I love this place. I love this place. I love this place. And if you guys want to go to the Magma Island, you just have to get 1 rebirth and you're good. But you have to be level 50 and you have to be pretty fast. Yeah. And this is what you do. When you rebirth, you won't lose any of your steps. But if you do rebirth, if you do rebirth, then only your level and your speed is gonna go all the way to 1. But if you don't do this, then you will. Well, if you don't if you see this race here, this race thing right here, so you see, it's gonna turn to the race. It won't do anything really. It'll just stay how it is, and then the speed, it'll go to 1. I mean 3. I think 3 or 5 is the starting, and then the level it goes to 1. That's how slow you walk, like this. And then you start going really faster and faster and faster, and then you become one of the fastest person in the world. Ha. 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 I think this is the only thing in here. Yeah, probably. Elseger. There's my friend. Wow. There is my friend. Where's my friend? I'm just typing his name. Jason. I'm in Magma Island, which you have to rebirth. Let's just go ahead. Wait, what? You had to go already? Oh, what? How did I know you're supposed to be starting? Wow. Just go ahead and go right there. Yes, I love this place. I think this is how the best people go in, and then they do whatever they need, and then yeah. I love this place. I love this place. And if you guys want to give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you do like and subscribe. Never forget to watch my videos and turn on the post notifications. Yeah! Ha 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 ha. Chicka boom 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 ba. Ha 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 ha. Chicka boom 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 ba. Usale. Alright guys, so if you did enjoy this video, I already said, turn on this notification down below, and I'll see you guys all lunchtime! See you guys all lunchtime! Oh, come on. Let's get to this part again. I'll see you next time! Goodbye! Peace out! Oh yeah, and have a great day! Bye! Sorry, bye! There we go.